Most people don't realize they're walking on sand. They chase every new headline, AI this, platform that, but never stop to ask, can I execute, or am I just consuming? Because infrastructure without execution is just expensive procrastination, and AI without reflex is just a glorified mirror. We don't need more dashboards. We need discipline. We don't need more features. We need foundations. Everyone's obsessed with what's coming next. But the winners, they're asking one thing. Can I act right now, with clarity, speed, and precision? That's what separates the sovereign from the swarm. Not noise, not hype. Execution. Real execution means speaking to AI like it's muscle memory, making decisions before hesitation gets a vote, building in minutes what others overthink for months. That's what this is about. Not selling tech. Becoming sovereign with it. Not waiting for the system to shift. Becoming the shift. And while the world waits for permission, we move. Because sand or not, and we plant anyway. We execute anyway. We build while they tweet. That's what this era is. The execution era, and it's already started.